Hey my friends, welcome back, or welcome if this is the first time. My name is Prudence and today I'm going to customize the wall of my workplace. I'm really excited. It's the first time ever that I'm going to use removable vinyl. I have no idea if it's going to work on my Cricut Maker, so we'll see. We'll just it's a progress and process that we're going through together today. I hope you're doing well. Sit back, grab yourself some coffee, and let's get started. So for the design, it looks quite simple, but I don't know if it's going to be simple. I have like a filled honeycomb design and I have just a line work, and I kind of want to combine that. I'm also going to use smart vinyl. As you can tell, this is for the Cricut Maker 3. This is our gorgeous machine that we're going to use today. It's the Cricut Maker, the second version, and I have to load in a mat. It's a bit dirty from my previous project. I'm going to already turn it on. It's actually quite simple to use. As you can tell, I already loaded in the two images, and I kind of want to select them both and have them have the same lengths. So I'm just going to try, and I think my wall isn't so big. I'm going to show you immediately. It isn't big at all, so I don't want to make these designs super large. So I'm going to guess it would be best if it were to be like around 10 centimeters or something. This is the wall that I want to decorate. So coming from underneath all the way up, kinda here somewhere. I know with the fall leaves the honeycomb is probably gonna clutch, but we'll see. You know, it's smart vinyl, it means it's removable, so if we don't like it, eventually I'll just remove it. So as you can see, this is my work table. I do all my packaging here. These are the loot boxes. These are prints and postcards that I am not using at the moment. So I feel like what we have to do now is cut these all in chunks of 30 centimeters. And I don't know if this is going to be easy. best to describe. I cannot look up smart vinyl because it says it's not, like, probably it's not compatible with my Cricuts. I'm going to put more. You need the fine point blade, which is standard included with the machine. As a mat, I'm using the standard grip one. This should work. I wouldn't recommend a light grip one, but standard grip should work. Alright, let's load it in the machine and let's see what it does. I'm very, very curious about the results. Now, to load it in, make sure that you put them underneath these. As I said, with the Maker tree, you won't need a cutting mat. You know, it's the roll and you just cut right on it. For this one, let's load and let's see what happens. Putting this in the sun, because that's like the only way that you can see that it worked. But I'm just going to cut these and we'll see if they cut all the way through. I do think they're the right size. So they're not too big, they're not too small, they will fit perfectly, they're versatile. I mean, we will be able to make a really nice design with this. So I already want to show you that it worked, like it cut all the way through. See? And this is actually what will go on the wall. Hopefully we can reuse this one. I'll cut them into squares, I'll load another mat, and I'm going to do like multiple sheets. Not going to worry too much about the end result, because I don't like to be too calculated when it comes to like designing something or decorating something. I'll just see where it takes me. And I think that's the most fun part about this is I have no idea what the end result will be, but I'm so happy it worked, you guys. Alright guys, as you can see, we did it. It looks awesome. I was so happy with the result. I didn't expect it to turn out this good. I didn't use any transfer sheets. I just used the smart vinyl, which is removable. So anytime I don't like it or I just want to change up the design, I could just take bits out or I can remove it entirely. It's super easy. You can just peel it away. Basically, like, it's a sticker that is put on a wall, except like it doesn't look anything like a sticker. It's super professional. It looks like it's a wall sticker that you just purchased somewhere. So I'm super happy. If you want to make it yourself, I will leave the materials that I used in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also check out Cricut NL because that's where I got all my supplies. They also have an Instagram account, which I'll also link down below. And I really hope you liked the video. Please comment what you would want to make with a Cricut and what your dream project would be. I'm so curious. I will check out all the comments and reply to you. Thank you all for watching. I hope you had a fun time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!